Tired of drowning in Ga4 data and struggling to make sense of it all? Let's transform the chaos into clarity by building a powerful Looker Studio report. In this video, we'll walk through connecting Google Analytics to Looker Studio, step by step. First, open Looker Studio. You can find it by searching in Google or using the URL Looker Studio. Click the Create button in the top left corner, then select Report. Now, you need to connect your data source. Choose Google Analytics from the list of available connectors. Select the specific Ga4 account and property you want to use for your report. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the data. Click Add in the bottom right to add this data source to your report. You will now see a blank canvas ready for your visualizations. Let's add our first chart. Go to the Insert menu at the top and choose a chart type, for example, a time series chart. Drag and drop the chart onto the canvas in the right-hand panel. Assign date as the dimension and sessions as the metric. Boom! You've visualized your website traffic over time. Repeat this process, adding different chart types like bar charts for device categories, pie charts for traffic sources, and scorecards for key metrics like conversions. Customize the look and feel of your report using the theme and layout options to match your branding and make it visually appealing. Finally, share your report with stakeholders. By clicking the Share button, you can grant viewing or editing access as needed. And that's it. You've created a dynamic Looker Studio report with Ga4 data, enabling you to track performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.